in?
Little volleyball.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Daddy, look at a volleyball.
Tennis ball. Do it.
No, you do it.
You do it. You jump in.
Daddy, can I actually have the popper?
Don't drop it in the water.
I think we can go in there because it's not that deep like that.
Yeah. You want to jump in?
No. I don't have my swimsuit yet. Here, I can finally go where I thought.
Grandma likes this way.
Deep into the forest. The underground layer is real, my friends. I don't see any animals here. But I do spy some family members up ahead. I made it.
I want some food!
Open, here, close it. Mash it. Keep it closed. You got it. Keep it closed. Don't open it. Yeah, you got two.
Yeah, you got two.
Hold it.
Where'd you get the fox? The fox?
Oh.
Oh, I only got the fox.
What's up, guys? Just taking a little mini weekend trip. We're up here in Wisconsin, Lake Lawn Resort. Filming a short little video, hanging out with family, having some fun. So, enjoy this video. Ice bucket, baby. Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Too cold. Ice run number 3. The wind was wicked, my friends. Storms blew in like a beast. Windy? Don't blow away! Hey!